Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a vintage purse drop sale. I have, as you can see, quite a few vintage purses that I am going to sell today. Well, hopefully sell, but offer to you today. So as you can see, all the purses are numbered. All of the purses that you see on the table right now are $15 each. I will leave all the instructions on how to participate in this drop sale in the description box below this video. So basically, I will tell you the prices of all the items. Each item has a number, so whatever item you want, you would enter the number of the item that you want in the comment section below the video. If you are the first one to enter that number, you will get that item. That's pretty much the gist of it. But I will put a detailed description, as I said, in the description box. Now, all of these purses are really in fantastic condition. Now, I will tell you, let me show you. I'm going to come around here up close. This purse had some staining on the inside, and I did try and clean it, and it did come out pretty darn good. So I just wanted to let that be known. It is missing its little handle, which would have been chain. If I have time, I will, or not if I have time, but if I do have gold chain, I will attach a handle on this purse. If not, it'll be sold as is. So I just wanted to let you know that. This beauty here is missing some beads, as you can see. There are a few areas where it is missing a few beads. And then there's, I don't know what the heck that is right there. All of a sudden, my camera is not focusing. It's focusing on the tablecloth. There's a little discoloration or something going on over here. But this purse is beautiful. As you can see, there is staining here. I could not get that out. These purses would be beautiful for display. So, I'm just trying. This one is absolutely stunning. But it does have a few spots like right here. Right here. Where a dangle is missing. There's a couple spots on here. See these sequins here where the little dangles are missing. But like I said when I did the haul video, nobody's even going to notice that. These are all absolutely gorgeous. This one has, I did add a chain to it. So this one has the handle. This is a Whiting and Davis change purse. We have this beautiful vintage, like a gold, I guess you call it, is it called like lame or something? I don't know. They're all beautiful. Like they're in really good condition on the inside. This one is made in Hong Kong, this black beaded purse. This is so cool. Look at this, guys. This one is, there is a name. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. Garay is the name. So basically, these are all in fantastic condition. This one is a change purse that unfolds. It's beautiful. They're all, like I said, they're all in really fabulous condition unless otherwise told by moi. So guys, this is the first round of purses. I'm trying to get it to where you can take a screenshot of everything with the numbers. So I will just go a section at a time. I did show this one, right? This one is beautiful as well. This is La Regal Limited. So, all right. So here is the first 2 rows. Remember, these are all $15. And here is the second row. All are $15. All right. I will clear these off and we will get to round 2. I wanted to mention that this one, which is number 10, has a handle. The handle was underneath or tucked inside or something. So sorry about that, guys, but this one is number 10. Also wanted to show you this one as well. This one has a chain. This is number 8. It has all these nice little pockets on the inside for credit cards and a checkbook. So I wanted to show you the inside of that one as well. And again, that's number 8. All right, guys, here is round 2. These top 4 purses are $20 each. So 14, 15, 16, and 17 are $20 each. They are all in fantastic condition with the exception of this one. This one has a burn hole right here. But you really can't notice it because it kind of blends in with the design. So I just wanted to let y'all know that. But look at the clasp on there, the latch. And this one comes with a change purse. There's the name on there. It's very hard to see. Let me see if I can get this to focus, guys. Sorry about that. It's not focusing today. It says after 5. After 5. And it does have a chain. Then we have this beautiful silver purse. I actually picked this up yesterday, but I wanted to include it in the sale. This one is not marked, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It has a handle as well. This one is my favorite. This is just gorgeous. Look at the detail on this purse. Phone, focus. Why are you not focusing? It's got to be, I don't know what's going on. This is absolutely gorgeous. This one is Guild Creations. Guild Creations. It is absolutely beautiful. And this is how it latches. Absolutely gorgeous. This one is beautiful as well. Look at this. Oh, I'm so upset that this is not focusing. I think it's because it's on there. Anyways, it's got a beautiful, like a brushed gold clasp. This one is made by Marcam. And it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So those four, again, are $20 each. Moving down to the second row, these are going to be $16 each. We have this awesome gold sparkle, that sparkle material. It has a snap. And this one is M&M. I don't know if you guys can see that. M&M. It is beautiful. It's hard to do this with one hand, guys. Sorry. But it's nice and clean on the inside. I could see somebody with blue eyeshadow and some matching gold sparkle pumps. Heck yeah. 1960s. This is another gorgeous purse. Look at this purse. OMG. Now, it does have a little bit of wear, as you can see around the edging there. See, look at that. But, I mean, how old is this purse? I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. It's clean on the inside. It's not marked. I don't know who makes it. But it is absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you the back as well. See, there's a little wear. Beautiful. Yes, I am wearing my Russian gymnast coach jacket today. I'm freezing. And then this one is another beauty. This one has kind of like a ribbed pattern. I know this phone is not focusing for some reason today, but it's got that beautiful clasp. It's got a zipper pouch on the inside. It's very clean. The zipper works. Beauty. Absolute beauty. So again, these three, 18, 19, and 20, are $16 each. So there is your screenshot, my friends. And I will be back with one last purse. All right, guys, this is my last purse. I saved the best for last. I do believe that this is real alligator. This is, I believe, from the 50s. And I just want to let you have a really good look at this purse. Whoops, this is the other side. The handle. Now on the inside, it comes with its original change purse. It is made by Bellstone. I'm going to try to get it so you guys can see. Bellstone. It comes with its original comb. The original little change purse. Trying to open this and show you. You can see that the inside matches the inside lining of the zipper pouch. And it also came with this mirror. So, as you can see, this purse is in fabulous condition. There's just a little bit of schmutz on the bottom there. Oh, beautiful, beautiful purse. If you are interested in this amazing vintage handbag, this purse is going to be $50. So if you want it, put number 21 in the comment section. $50 for that beauty. All right, everybody, that's going to do it for this vintage purse drop sale. I hope you found something that you just couldn't live without. Thank you, everyone, for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.